This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Rahul Chatterjee. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that development of Assam is the priority of the centre and the government is continuously working on it. He stressed that all should work together to make the Northeast a strong pillar of Atmanirbhar Bharat. Mr. Modi was speaking after launching the Mahabahu Brahmaputra project in Assam yesterday. The Prime Minister also laid the foundation stone for Dhubri-Fulbari Bridge and performed Bhumi Pujan for construction of Majuli Bridge. Addressing the gathering virtually, he said that connectivity was a big challenge for the Northeast, but rapid progress has been made of late. The Dhubri-Fulbari Bridge would help several northeastern states, and waterways would play an important role in connecting the region with Southeast Asian countries. The construction of Jorhat-Majuli Bridge and Dhubri-Fulbari Bridge would give a major boost in connectivity for Assam and Meghalaya. Assam Chief Minister Sarbanand Sonowal lauded the initiatives of Prime Minister Narendra Modi for the development of the northeastern region. The Nagaland Legislative Assembly yesterday unanimously adopted a 4-point resolution on Naga Political issue. It urged the central government and the Naga Political groups to bring to a conclusion the political negotiation with a solution that is honourable, inclusive and acceptable to the people as one solution without further delay. The resolution, introduced by Chief Minister Neiphiu and seconded by Opposition Leader T.R. Zeliang and adopted by the House, endorsed and reiterated all the past resolutions of the Nagaland Legislative Assembly on the Indo-Naga political issue. Nagaland Chief Minister Neiphiu yesterday presented a deficit budget of 365.33 crore rupees for the financial year 2021-2022 in the State Assembly. Mr. Rio also announced 2 new grants, the Chief Minister's Grant for Journalism and the Chief Minister's Research Grant. The Chief Minister further announced to launch the Young Leadership Program. He also said a Centre for Parliamentary Studies and Research Centre for Conflict Resolution will be set up in the Nagaland Legislative Assembly. In Mizoram, the ruling Mizo National Front wrested power in Aizawl Municipal Corporation by winning 11 seats of the 19 wards of the corporation. The Mizoram People's Movement won in 6 wards, while Congress won in 2. AIR correspondent reports that out of 19 seats, 8 women candidates have won and retained their respective seats. In Meghalaya, 1 new COVID-19 case was detected in East Khasi Hills district yesterday, while 24 recoveries were also reported. The number of active cases has come down to 55 and the number of recoveries stands at 13,743. As per a health bulletin issued yesterday, 14,765 healthcare workers were vaccinated with the first dose of Covishield vaccine and 1,181 healthcare workers received the second dose. The total frontline workers vaccinated with the first dose in Meghalaya so far is 8,587. Nagaland yesterday reported 1 COVID-19 positive case from Mokokchung and 1 death due to the infection in Dimapur. 6 more patients also recovered in Dimapur, taking the total number of recoveries in the state to 11,919. There were 29 active cases of COVID in Nagaland on the last count. In Manipur, 2 persons were confirmed as new COVID-19 positive cases yesterday, while 10 people also recovered from the viral infection. The number of positive cases reached 29,223 and the number of recovered cases is 28,769. And the Assam Regimental Centre held attestation parade of 331 batch in Shillong yesterday. The parade was reviewed by Major General P.S. Behel, Colonel of the Assam Regiment and Arunachal Scouts. He recounted the contributions of the Northeast and Assam Regiment towards nation building. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.